In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for apps in Windows 11. If you want faster access to your favorite programs, creating a desktop shortcut is one of the easiest things you can do. A shortcut gives you a quick way to open an app without having to search through the Start menu every time. This is especially helpful for apps you use often, whether for work, school, or everyday tasks. To begin, go to your Windows 11 taskbar and click the Start button. This opens the Start menu, where you can access your installed apps and other system features. Once the Start menu appears, look for the option called All Apps and select it. This will show you the full list of software currently installed on your computer. Now take a moment to scroll through the list until you find the app you want to create a shortcut for. Depending on how many programs you have installed, this may take a few seconds. It helps to move slowly so you don't skip past the app by accident. Make sure you have identified the correct application before moving to the next step. Once you've found the app, click and hold its icon. Keep holding the mouse button down, then drag the app out of the Start menu and onto your desktop. As you do this, move your mouse carefully so the icon lands in an open area on the desktop where you can easily see it. When the app icon is in the right spot, release the mouse button. Windows 11 will then create a shortcut on your desktop for that app. You should now see the shortcut appear, ready to use whenever you need it. At this point, you can double-click the new shortcut to launch the app directly from your desktop. If you like to keep your desktop organized, you can also drag the shortcut to a different location after it's created. That can make it easier to group your most used apps together and keep everything neat. This is a simple but useful way to save time and make your Windows 11 experience more convenient. Once you know how to do it, you can repeat the same process for other apps you want quick access to. And that's it. You now know how to create a shortcut for apps in Windows 11.